Hey guys, it's Miss Bostic here, and this is our three-part OG drill. That means that I'm going to show you the card, you say the letter name and the sounds that it make. And then at the end of the letter names and sounds, we'll blend some words like on the blending board. And then at the end, I will give you some sounds and you need to type them in the boxes on the right side, okay? So let's get started. First card is A Magic. E says A. ONG. Ong. LD. Old. ND. Nd. MP. Mp. SM. Sm. TR. Tr. SPR. Spr. SC. Sk. CT. Kt. SP. Sp. ONK. Unk. O Magic. E says O. C. K. O. Ah and O. A. And A. D. D. I. And I. J. J. K. K. P. CH. Ch. U. And U. B. B. R. R. F. N. N. E. And E. S says SH. Shh. TH. Do the unvoiced. Voiced. W. W. SHR. Sure. STR. Stir. SCR. Skr. BL. Bull. All right. Now we are going to blend some words. Are you ready? First sound, second sound, third sound. K. All. Ready? B. Out. Belt. It's a real word. Ank. Thank. Ch. It. Chip. Sl. T. Slot. T. O. St. Toast. O, t, boat. Throat, throat. Brush, brush. Drip, drip. All right, now I want you to type these sounds in the box to the right of your screen. You ready? All right. The first sound that I want you to make is the sound ankh, ankh, ankh. All right. In the next box, I want you to make the sound O. The sound is O. In the next box, I want you to make the sound Qu, Qu, Qu. In box number 3, I want you to make the sound Ch, 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 as in chip. In box number 4, I want you to make the sound ink, 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 as in pink. And the last sound that I want you to put in the box is the word, or the sound, I'm sorry, sl, sl, like in sleep. All right, guys, that is the end of our 3-part drill.